In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table view in Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system, and understanding how to effectively visualize your data is key to maximizing its potential. One of the most fundamental and versatile ways to view your information is through the table view. This view provides a familiar, spreadsheet-like layout that makes managing tasks, projects, and data incredibly straightforward. It's often the backbone of many boards, allowing for easy data entry, sorting, and a comprehensive overview of all your items. Let's dive into how you can set one up on your own boards. The first step is to open a board. In Monday.com, a board is essentially your workspace where all your items, tasks, or projects are organized. To do this, simply navigate to the specific board you wish to work with. You can typically find your boards listed in the left-hand sidebar of your Monday.com interface, or you might access them through your recent boards list or a search function. Make sure you select the correct board where you intend to create this new table view, as each view is specific to the board it's created within. Once you have your chosen board open and visible on your screen, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Once your board is open, you'll need to locate and click on the Add View button. This button is usually found at the top left of your board interface, often positioned near the board's title. It might appear as a simple plus icon or as text indicating Add View or New View. The Add View button is your gateway to customizing how you visualize the data on your board. Monday.com offers a variety of views, such as Kanban, Calendar, Gantt, and of course, the table view. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu or a panel displaying all the different view options available for you to choose from. After clicking Add View, a list of available views will appear. From this list, your final step is to click on Table. As soon as you click it, the new table view will be instantly added to your board and will become the active view. You'll notice that your board's items are now displayed in a traditional row and column format, similar to what you'd find in a spreadsheet program. This layout makes it exceptionally easy to see all your data at a glance, allowing you to quickly scan through information, identify key details, and perform edits directly within the cells. The beauty of the table view lies in its flexibility and clarity. You can easily customize which columns are visible, reorder them to prioritize important information, and even hide columns you don't need at a particular moment.